Hi guys, so here we are. I made a video for you, those who are asking how to edit the Canva templates that you have purchased from Etsy. So here it is. I prepare a floor plan here. This is the uh, house, but it has to have a two floor plans because it has a two unit. First unit, this one is the second unit. But the problem is this file is in PDF. Canva does not allow us to import PDFs. So I duplicated and I made a copy of it in JPEG files. So here it is, the unit 1 and then the unit 2, all in the JPEG files so that we can upload it in Canva without a hassle. So let's start now. I'm here on the Etsy website and then I'm going to choose on this Canva templates for evacuation diagram. Here is the lowest price that I see. This one is $5 for a Canva template. It is for portrait size, and then it says there that is editable in Canva, and the seller is has a star badge, so we can know that she performs well. And then I'm going to buy it using my PayPal, but you can also buy it using your credit card. So I'm going to add this to cart and pay it using my PayPal account. I'm going to click it now. And after I did that, after I purchased, here is the downloadable items that they have sent me. It is a two-page PDF. We don't mind the second page. We just need the first page. So here it says we have to click the image so that we can go to Canva. And when I click it, it opens to Canva website. And here it is, guys. We have the Canva templates. It says here a template created by RRS Creative. Let's inspect it. I think this is it. And then you can see it. There is a sample of the floor plan. And right at the bottom, this purple here, we have to click it so that we can edit the Canva that we have purchased. Here it is. It is loading now on the Canva website for editing. It's working now. So here it is. The first page. We're going to start on the first page. It says here, try Canva Pro. I think we don't need that since we only have this one for one diagram. You don't need to purchase it or have a Canva Pro. So let's minimize this one. Right here, I'm going to open the floor plan that I have created in JPEG files. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this down right at the website to upload. Here it is. It is now uploading. There. It is uploading now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to resize the floor plan to fit in our Canva template. And then I'm going to look at the layers of this. And then I will go to the show layers so that I can put this into the proper layers. at the back. It will not obstruct those other icons. Here it is. I'm going to resize the floor plan so that it will fit our Canva templates. I am being careful to resize it so as not to cut any portion of the floor plan. Here it is. It's taking a shape now. I'm going to minimize this again. Enlarge. Now we can see the template. Okay, I'm going to put now the icons directly under the floor plans. I'm going to start with the running man. Since it is a little bit smaller, I'm going to enlarge the running man icon to fit into the floor plan. Just click it and drag, just like that. There. And then next to it, I'm going to put the arrow, the directional arrows of exit. So I'm going to copy this one, duplicate it, and then put some inside the floor plan. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to put it here at the bedroom 2. It's pointing outside, going to the primary exit. Then duplicate it and then put it on all the bedrooms. You can also rotate the directional arrows by clicking the rotate icon. And you can also resize the icon here. Doesn't fit. Okay. And then for this, guys, you have to copy all the, you have to duplicate the arrows if you need more in your floor plan. And I'm going to rearrange again the directional arrows. There you are. Okay. And then we are not be using those dotted lines, so I have deleted it. And then next, I'm going to get the smoke detector icon and put it in the areas where I have a smoke detector to show the locations. There you are. And then duplicate it so that I can put it in the bedroom to resize it if needed. Later, we're going to get the uniform sizes of this. Then on bedroom 2, another one. I'm going to resize the other one on the living room to fit to have a uniform icons. The next is the fire extinguisher. I'm going to put it at the kitchen because we have it in the kitchen. There you are. and it's at the sink, below the sink. So there it is. I think it's done. Now I'm going to edit the location of the fire extinguisher. Just click, ungroup, and then uh, edit the location. Okay, it's done. I'm going to center this one so that it fits. And a little lower. It's done. So again, I can edit these other details here, but I will do it later. I'm just going to show you the quick edits so that you can follow it. And then you can make your own diagram. Since I don't need these other icons, I will delete it. And then edit also the address here. Just click it. When you see that it turns into blue, you can edit that. Also, there is a emergency hotline. If your area is not 911, you can edit it. Just click on dial 911 text and then edit it. Now I'm going to resize it so that I can view the templates and then adjust it according to my preferred size inside the Canva templates. Okay, if this is good, I don't need the page 2 and 3. I will deal with it later. Now I'm going to download it. What I'm going to do is click the share button at the top. And then I'm going to download it. I will make sure that it is in JPEG file. We cannot adjust the size and also the quality because only the Canva Pro can edit that. I'm going to download just the page one. So here it is. I'm going to hit the download. It's downloading now. Okay. And here it is, guys. I have downloaded our complete evacuation diagram. So here it is. I'm going to edit the details later. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.